I trust me, it's going to be a very long week of roller coaster emotions. We are so not sure if Uthandiswa will make it alive, because if it's not her walking in the streets of God knows where, it's her running into some guy who takes her in the name of taking care of her. Bese uyamfaka endaweni that we don't even know ukuthi uzophume phila na. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we are going to be reviewing Smoke and Mirrors. Sanibonani abusheni molweni minjani? Iphukile hingongwina. So namuhla kana ngona kwa hina wa Smoke and Mirrors swilo asithamisekange kahle. Thandiswa sendleleni Nkosi yami. Kubhlungu la kimi because mina I don't know what to do. Ngathi nje ngavele ngimhambele lolo hambo, but unfortunately I cannot. She's trying so hard to get out of where she is, but it looks like it's impossible. At some point she fell down, ngathi igazi phela, and then she was starting to feel dizzy, and then khonumlisa ofikile wamthatha. Now on the other hand, uBabsiza decided that he was going to come back and then tell abantu ukuthi lalelani. Kukhona nje okungahambi kahle, ungathi uThandiswa sekashiyile. Now it gets very contradicting with what uNcuka is saying, because uNcuka uthi ke lo ntombazana lo kuthiwa uThandiswa angimazi ukuthi ukephi. So now the question is, how is he now going to correct what he has already said? Is he going back to say, no, actually I lied? But something, somewhere, showed me ukuthi not everyone is believing what he's saying. Because nje uLeroy na uganunwabo, he wants to know exactly what has happened, because the story that is being shared really sound far-fetched, and it does not sound like Uthandiswa according to everything. Comparing with the posts that have been posted on social media, it does not really look like Uthandiswa now, and everyone is raising eyebrows with no, something does not add up. Ikhona into eshaya amanzi lana, we just don't know yet, but we are definitely going to find out. Now the question is, what is going to happen now? Because uNcuka said he is going to look, he's going to be on the other side, up Begin and Nomeva, and then Usiza is going to go out in the streets and find Uthandiswa. Uzomthola yini guys?